All right, I'm gonna go ahead and feed my supply line through this cabinet and get ready to make this water connection. We're gonna fish this supply line through this cabinet into the cabinet where we disconnected the water and go ahead and get that reconnected. I'm gonna get under here and make this water connection. So this is gonna thread back onto our stop. We're gonna take this Eastman adapter. It's got a nice gasket in here. So I'm gonna tighten this adapter to the back of our dishwasher. And we will get this hand tight and then go a little tighter. It'll be good to turn this water on. I'm gonna go ahead and ease the water on. So we got our water reconnected, power's wired up, dishwasher's installed. We're ready to test it, check for leaks, and put our cover back on.